Here today, we are having our special event with the Fire Safety Rescue from Fairfax County. We've been with them for about 5 years, and what they do is they come out and do a really fun program, which is a learning program, but what's so great about it is that they make it really fun for the kids. So short term, it really teaches them, fire safety lessons and rules, yet they take something away with it because they remember it because it's fun. And then long term, it really makes us work with them in a partnership with the community. The children will be putting on boots and helmets and wearing the coats to see how heavy it is. And then we sit down and we talk about what just happened and plans for escape routes in your house, how to stay low if there's smoke. So we go over all that with the kids, and people from the Fire Safety Rescue do as well. It's important for kids who attend SACC to learn fire safety because fires can happen anywhere, and it's best for kids to be prepared and to know what to do in case of an emergency, whether it's in the school or at home. We try to teach them to even go home and talk to their parents about having an escape route and where to go if a fire does break out at home, if they are alone or if they are in the house with their parents, and at school as well.